बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। Students, today we will learn how to find the HCF by division method, which is your question number 5 of exercise 4. For this purpose, we have first two digits 300 and 3996. Always the greater number is said to be dividend and the smaller digit is divisor. So we will start dividing these numbers until we got the minimum remainder, and we have to use all of these digits. First, because we have our divisor 300, we need to take the great number which is greater than 300. That number will be 399. So now you will multiply 300 till then you got the number smaller than 300. Where you got the greater number, you will move to backward to get last smaller number, nearest smaller number to 399. As the number shows, when we will divide 300 with 2, we will got 600. 600 will be greater than 399. So we will move backward to get nearest smaller number to 399, which is we got by multiplying by 1, that is 300. And when we subtract these two numbers, we got 99. Now we will take our next number. We have here 996. When we multiply 300 with 3, we got 900. And when we subtract these two numbers, we got 96. Here we got our smaller remainder. Now this further we cannot divide these digits too. So now 96 will be your divisor, and you will take your 300 as the dividend. Your divisor will convert into dividend, and the remainder will be changed into divisor. You may always remember that your divisor will be changed into dividend, and your remainder will be as your divisor in HCF by division method. Okay. Now you will divide 300 with 96. When you multiply 96 with 3, you got 288. When we subtract these numbers, we got 12. And now again your divisor will convert into dividend, and remainder will be as divisor. Now when you divide these numbers, you got 8 as your quotient. But for HCF, you have to know which is the highest common factor of these two numbers, that is 12. It means that 12 can divide these two numbers, and 12 is the highest common factor, highest greater number which can divide these two numbers. So our answer is 12. Our HCF we got is 12. Now students, to learn the HCF by division method, we will solve one more question. For this purpose, we have to take now 4 digits. We will learn how to find out the HCF of 4 numbers. For this purpose, you will take the smaller number first, and then you will take next number, and at last you will take the greater number. So smaller number, which is 427 and 159, you will take first. You will take greater number as dividend and 427 as divisor. Start dividing them. You will here, when you divide 1159 with 427, you will got 305 remainder. Now 305, your remainder will be divisor, and you will put 427 as your dividend. Now again when you divide, you will got 122 as remainder. When you got 122 as remainder, then you will put 305 as dividend. And now we got 61. You will keep dividing continuously until you got 0 remainder. Where the remainder will be 0, that divisor will be the highest common factor, HCF. And at last, when we divide 122 with 61, we got no remainder. So you find your highest common factor of these two numbers. Now you will check this 61 with next number. Either it is the highest common factor of this number. For this purpose, you will divide 1281 with 61. When we divide it with 61, if there will be no remainder, then it will be end here. And if there will be a remainder, then the process will be continued. Then your remainder will be changed into your divisor, and your divisor will be changed into dividend. Which number is divided, that is dividend, and with which you divide, that is divisor. You know the mathematical terms I have told you in my previous lectures. So now here we take our next number 1281. When we divide it with 61, we see here no remainder we have found here. So 61 is also the highest common factor of 1281. Now we have one last number, which is 3460. Now check 61 with this number. Either 61 divide this number completely, or there will be some remainder. Now when you check 61 with this number, you check here, we have no remainder. So it proves that 61 is the highest common factor for these all four numbers. 61 can divide these all four numbers. So 61 is the highest common factor of these four numbers. Our answer HCF is 61. Okay students? Now students, move towards your question number 6, which is find the greatest number which divides 2300 and 3500, leaving 32 and 56 respectively. It means when we find the highest common factor of these two numbers, there must be 32 and 56 remainder. So students, when there will be a remainder, we cannot find our HCF. So to change these numbers in this way that we can get our highest common factor, we will subtract 32 from 2300 and 56 from 3500 to got our numbers, with which we will proceed our HCF process of division method. When we subtract 32, we got 2268. When we subtract 56 from 3500, we got 3444. These two numbers we have find here for HCF. Now you will put greater number as your dividend and smaller number as your divisor and start to find your HCF. When we divide these two numbers, we got 1176 remainder. Now change your divisor as dividend and again start to solve them. Here you will got 1092 remainder. Again your procedure will be continue, that your divisor will be changed into dividend and remainder as divisor. Then you solve them, you got 84 as remainder, and at last 84 will be divide completely 1092. There will be no remainder. So 84 is the highest common factor for these two numbers. To check what our question says, that proved. According to our question, when you will divide 2300 with 84, there will be a remainder 32. And when you divide 3500 with 84, there must be a remainder 56. I have proved this in my rough work. When I have divided 2300 with 84, there is a remainder 32. And when I divide 3500 with 84, there is a remainder 56. This proves that our answer is perfect. Our solution is perfect. Okay friends, you will solve your question number 6 in this way.